खाना तो मैं बना लूँ पर ये प्याज कौन काटेगा? I've heard of this from so many of you. This is the biggest deterrent to you making amazing food. So I'm going to break this down, show you how to chop an onion like a pro. All you need is a knife like this and a little bit of willpower. We'll learn together so that you're cooking amazing food with me, Japveer. So to chop our onions as good as this, you need to start by peeling the onion and keeping the root side down, and we'll start making incisions here which are parallel to each other. Now as fine as you want the onions, you want to make these incisions. So I've kept them at about 3 to 4 millimeters right now so that I get decently chopped onions. Now I'm not cutting all the way through, there is still quite a lot of gap here. So I'm not cutting it all the way down, now making perpendicular incisions into the onions so that I've got my onions cut from two ways. Now the last cut this way is going to go all the way down. Now I've cut it into half, so half my onion is ready to be chopped into smaller bits like so. I'll put these small ends together and like so I'm going to get evenly chopped onions. Just look at that. That's how you get evenly sized onions, which when you brown them they cook very evenly. So that's how we like our onions to be chopped. So we go very simply, smoothly down. I'll do this again. So top to down, use the heel part of the knife. This is what gives it strength. So top to down, simple motions. This is all that you want to do, like so. See the onions pretty evenly chopped. They're nice squares. That's how you like them. Now this part we're not going to throw it away, obviously going to chop it fine like so. Just make sure you're not being very you're not being random with this, like so. You'll have them chopped. I'll show you one more. Make parallel lines, vertical. You don't cut all the way through. That's very important. You're not cutting all the way through. Yeah, you're leaving a little bit. This is to be cut at the end. So my knife is actually at an angle. You're going top to down. My knife is at an angle. It's not perpendicular to the chopping board. It's at an angle. So that's important. That's something you want to keep remembering. So my knife is slightly bent, maybe at a 30-degree angle. So keep that on and make clear strokes like so, and you will get beautiful chopped onions which are a joy to cook with once you're finally in the kitchen to make that beautiful recipe that you have to cook. Yeah, so share me what you're going to do with these onions, and I'm going to feature it on my channel. And today is a great day to start. Ta-da!